Relations by attribute and virtual products. In this video, we'll show you how to group similar products using attribute-based relations and how to create a virtual product to represent them. We'll create a relation for a light bulb available in different colors, using color as the grouping attribute. Relations by attribute lets you connect products that differ only by a single attribute, such as color or size. Typically, all other product details remain the same. Showing multiple identical products that differ only by color clutters the product list and makes it harder for users to compare or choose. Instead, you can present a single product with multiple options. This virtual product includes a full description, pricing, technical parameters, packaging info, and photos, and only becomes a specific physical product when a value like color is selected. Customers can easily browse one unified product page, select the variant they want, and be confident that all other product details remain the same. Attribute relations are configured in the Relationships by Attribute section, hidden under the Configuration tab. To create a new relation, enter an ID, choose a global attribute, and name the relation. Once the relation is created, you can edit its settings using the pencil icon, assign products using the blocks icon by entering or searching product IDs. Let's assign several physical products to this relation. First the red bulb, then the rest in the same way. You can also add a virtual product that represents the entire group. Virtual product is a concept used to represent a group of similar products that differ only by a single parameter, such as color or size. To create one, copy an existing product in the relation using the copy icon. A new virtual product ID must be provided. All data is duplicated, except for the label and the grouping attribute, which must remain empty. The product has been added as a copy of the physical one. Now edit the virtual product's content. Let's remove color-specific details from the description and update the product photo, illustrating the availability of the product in different colors. A virtual product is similar to other products. What distinguishes it from them is the system label, virtual, a gray circle with the letter V. Back in the relation view, we now see all related products, including our virtual one, ready to represent the entire group in a clear and consistent way. The photo and description for the virtual product are now correct. There is no longer any color information, so this product, with its full, shared description, can now represent the entire group of products. All bulbs of this type in all available colors. Removing a product from the relation won't delete it from the system, only from that specific relation. Relations by attribute combined with virtual products let you deliver clean, modern product presentations. One product, multiple variants, consistent messaging, a better customer experience.